Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're out here in Volusia County right now looking at a roof. Actually, we've got 3 to look at here. We have a large presence in Volusia County. Want to let everybody know in this area we're happy to help you. Along with Flagler, Brevard, and Indian River counties, we like to hit the East Coast. So if you guys have any needs out in this area, get a hold of us at XLR8 Roofing. Right now I'll show you this roof we're on. An older roof. It's not hard to spot the damage on this roof. There's not a lot of questions on what needs to be done here. This is an old 20-year 3-tab shingle that's probably 25 years old. Obviously needs a roof. So not to go into a whole lot of detail on here, you can look at missing shingles. There's not many granules left, but it's something we want to take care of for these people. We want to have, like I say, a big presence here in Ormond Beach today. I think we're going to head to Deltona, then Daytona. Let us know if we can help you guys out. This is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day and be kind.